Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is why people hate you, or why your haters hate you. So it's a pick a pile reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you drawn towards. Let's get into the reading. Why people hate you, why your haters hate you. Pile number 1. Who choose blue pile? Why people hate you? So pile number 1. People hate you because you have a good friends, you have good you will enjoy parties, you are a party person, you enjoy parties, you enjoy a lot with friends, family. So that's why people hate you. There is one more meaning also, like it's a 3 of cups. Maybe you keep multiple partners, you have multiple partners in your life. This is also reason why people hate you. You maintain multiple relationships, or you maintain multiple lovers or partners. This is also one reason why people hate you. Or you are the party person, you are a free going or enjoyment person. You just enjoy your life, you don't think about other things. It is not that you are not responsible, but the thing is you more get involved in enjoyment. You are a party person, you enjoy a lot in your life. This is what people hate you. But you are always in the party mood, or you always enjoy your life whatever with the situation. Or if you have multiple partners also, they hate that you have multiple partners. Maybe because of jealousy also they will hate you, that you enjoy your life no matter what it is. So that is also make people to hate you, that you have good friends, good family, you enjoy a lot, or you have multiple partners. So this is why people hate you. Let's move on to pile number 2. Who choose red pile? Why your haters hate you? So pile number 2. You have very good stability in your life. Very good stability, very good family, pets. You are totally completed person. You have very good stable financially and emotionally, spiritually, mentally. You are total complete person. Actually you feel completed, not just feel, you are completed in your life. You have that content and satisfaction in your life. That's why people hate you, that you have everything. You don't have any issues in your family life, you don't have any problems in your financial situations, because you have money. So you don't need to worry about that. You have family which is very loving and caring, and you may be having pets also. So you enjoy that family life, that bondings, emotional bondings. If you are married, you are very happy with your spouse and kids. Your family is complete actually. You have a complete family where their elders are presented, kids are presented, pets are presented, partners are presented. So everything is good. Even in the financial aspect also, you don't have any problem regarding your money matters. You are very stable. So that's why people hate you. Actually, I think we should keep it as a jealousy because you have very good things. You are not doing any wrong to anyone. You are not thinking any negative things, or any bad things. You are very good with your family, you are enjoying your life, you are complete with your life. So that's why people hate you. So yeah, simply they are jealous and they hate you that you have everything. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. Why people hate you? Pile number 3. I think you won't give money to people, or if you have money but you won't show that you have money, or you won't share your finances with others. So people, that's why people hate you, whether they are your family members or they are friends, colleagues. If they ask for money help, financial help, you won't do it, you won't give money, or you keep your financial things secret, you hide your financial situation from others. Whether you have it or not, you hide things, you don't talk about your financial situation to anyone, or you won't share your finances or financial situation to anyone, whether it is a family, friends or colleagues. You keep your financial things to yourself only. This is why people hate you, that you won't share your money, the information about your money, your savings, your investments. That's a good thing actually. You no need to share to anyone. If they hate also, no problem, just don't share your financial things to anyone. That's a good thing. So don't worry. If people hating for you for that, no problem, let them hate. It is totally belongs to you, so you need to keep it as a secret only. You need to hide. So this is what people hate you, that you won't share your finances to anyone, or you won't share your financial situation. You will be having money, you have money, they know that, but the thing is you are not sharing it to anyone. So you are keeping to yourself only. That's why people hate you. You are not sharing finances, so that's why they are hating you. Let them hate, no problem. So let's move on to pile number 4, who chose yellow pile. Why people hate you? Why your haters hate you? So pile number 4, people hate you that you won't travel much. Maybe you travel, you won't travel with them, I think. So whoever asking for going trips, and if you are not going, they are hating you because you are not going with them. Or if you are soulmates, or you are in a relationship, if you are in a relationship and you are not going out with your partner, so they hate you for that you are not going with them, going out with them, or you are not ready to travel with them. You are not a travel person actually. Maybe you are a traveling person, maybe you choose people, particularly few people only will you like to travel, but you just travel with the people who are very close to you. I think you won't travel with everyone, or you won't go out with everyone. So this is why people hate you, that you won't go out with them, you won't talk. Yeah, they simply hate because you are not traveling. You are not either you are an introvert, or if you are not an introvert also, you are not ready to travel with them, or basically you are not that much fond of travel, I think. So people are not seeing that you are going out and doing any traveling kind of things. So they hate about you, that they hate that you are not traveling much, or you are not traveling with them. Especially I think your partner or close friends who are very close to you, they like to travel with you, I think, but you are not going with them out. So you are not, maybe you are not interested to travel. So that's why they hate you. This is what actually, this People hate about this, that you are not much travel person. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who chose green pile? Why people hate you? Green pile. Pile number 5. You are not a hardworking person. So people hate you that you are not a hardworking person. You may be having skills, but you are not putting your skills in action. You are not using your skills, or you are not using your talents. So you are not doing any hard work regarding your career matters mostly. Especially in your career matters, you are not putting your efforts and you are not doing any hard work in your career to get successful, or just to move forward in your career. You are not putting any efforts in that. So this is why people hate you. Maybe your family members, I think. Because outsiders won't hate. When we won't work, people don't hate us because they love it. They don't want to see people moving forward or achieving anything. Most of the people, not everyone. So if you are not doing any work, you are not moving forward in your career, people are hating this. Definitely it's a family members or your close friends who are very close to you, or your family members. They hate that you are not, you may be having lot of skills, but you are not using that skills to achieve your career goal, or you are not putting any interest in your career. You are not showing any interest in your career. You are taking it lightly, or you are not at all thinking about that. Maybe you are busy with other things. So that's why people hate about it, that you are not showing any interest in your career, or you are not going anywhere in your career. You are not achieving anything in your career. Everyone have some different goals, no? Like if you are studying and you are not completing your studies, they are hating that you are not concentrating on your studies and you are not getting successful in your studies. If you are looking for a job and you are not getting, people are thinking that you are not using your skills, and that's why you are not getting any job. So people are hating about you, that you are, especially you are not using any skills regarding in your career matters. Now I don't know about other matters, but especially in your career, you are not using your skills and you are not achieving anything in your career, which you have to achieve because you have skills, the talents, but you are not putting into action, so you are not achieving anything. So that's why people are hating about it. Maybe definitely it's your family member or close friends, not all. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You can find the details in description box.